Okay, this is the video for activity 1.5, multi-view sketching. What we're going to do is draw this object both with an isometric sketch and with orthographic sketches showing the top, front, and right views. Before you begin, you want to look at your object and try to figure out what is the best front view. So the front view is the view that generally captures the overall essence of the shape. This shape, the most important aspect of it is the stairs. And the view that captures that the most is probably this view right here. Okay? So this is going to be our front view. And the reason why that's important is because the front view can be rotated down to get the top view, and then you can go back to the front view, and the right view is looking in this direction. You can rotate to the side, and that's the right side view. So back to the front, top, front, right. And the view that shows all three is the isometric view. Okay? This view will show the top, 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 and the right sides, and the front face. So here's our isometric view right there. I'm going to start just by sketching the front view and then transfer that onto the isometric paper. So here we go. I'm going to use 2 squares for every 1 cube. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. You should use a straight edge, but for the sake of this video, keeping the video short, I'm going to not use a straight edge. Okay? So that is the front view. So make sure you label it. Now I'm going to transfer that front view to the isometric paper. So I'm going to start from the upper left-hand corner and go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Will that fit? That's not going to fit. So let's move over a little bit and go down 1, 2, 3. There's my vertical edge. And then this line right here is 1, 2, 3. Okay? And now back from the top, over 1, down 1. Over 1, down 1. Over 1, down 1. Okay, so I have just completed the front view. Now I'm going to work on the lines that extend from each corner. The length of all these lines is 4. So from each corner I'm going to go off 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I connect those, I just created the top surface. I'm going to go ahead and shade that in lightly. Okay, I'm going to come down 1, extend this 4, extend this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, connect. And again, I'm going to shade in the top surfaces lightly. Down. One, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, that got a little sloppy there. Again, please use a straight edge. Okay, I'm going to shade in the front surface extra dark so that it's easy to see the difference between the front side and the right side. So the front is completely shaded in. The top sides are lightly shaded, and the right sides are not shaded. okay? Now, above the front view, we're gonna draw the top view. Okay, so again, to get the top, all you do is rotate down. What you should see is three vertical pieces that are these three pieces right here, and each one is a width of 1 and a depth of 4. Now, the key is to make sure it aligns with the left edge of the front view, right? So keep that line the same, and we're gonna go depth 1, 2, 3, 4, and a width of 1. So that is the yellow strip. This is the orange strip, and this is the purple strip. Okay, and we don't shade orthographic views. So that is the top view. Now, to do the right view, which is these non-shaded sides, right, we see from the right side, we go back to the front and we turn so we can see from the right side, and we see three horizontal strips that are all 1 by 4. So over here on our sketch, we say right, and we make sure that the bottom is lined up, the bottom of the front view is lined up with the bottom of the right view. And I'm going to draw the purple face first, okay? Then the orange face, and then the yellow face. So what you should see is that the top of the front is lined up with the top of the right, and the bottom of the front is lined up with the bottom of the right. And similarly, the left side of the top lines up with the left side of the front, and the right side of the top lines up with the right side of the front. And there you go. This is a multi-view sketch. Make sure you put your name and the title. And today's date, and you're good to go.